There now follows a statistical health warning issued on behalf of the Ubley Halt Production Company. Please do not adjust your set. In the country, and that's what I should have said on all the other ones. It wasn't the most used, it's the 2,362nd least used station, because the number starts at 1 for the least used and 2,555 for the most used. So you have to bear that in mind. I'm going to have to put this at the beginning of the film. Right. So this is the train I'm going to catch to Kidsgrove, as I think I've already mentioned. I expect it's the train I arrived on, because we arrived on this platform about half an hour ago. I've arrived at Kidsgrove at 16 minutes past 11, and this is my train departing, which ultimately will end up at London Euston. There's 4 platforms here at Kidsgrove, and I've got half an hour until my next train's due, so we'll have a look around. I don't need to say what this is, it's quite obvious what this is. Okay, I'm standing at the end of platform 3, which is the platform I arrived on. So this is served by trains from London Midland and East Midlands trains, and then platform 4 is the platform that goes into Crewe. So there's an hourly service to Euston and an hourly service to Derby on these platforms. And I don't think I'm going to see any trains arrive until my one arrives, because on platforms 1 and 2, which I'll get to in a minute, they don't seem to be scheduled yet at the moment. There's some nice daffodils along the platform here, very attractive. Shame the sun isn't shining and we'd have some nice views of sunny daffodils, but they look quite nice, don't they? Okay, I'm now standing at the Manchester end of platforms 1 and 2. These are served by Northern trains to Manchester Piccadilly. Now at the other end of the platform 3, which is looking towards Stoke-on-Trent. So as we've just seen, a cross-country train comes through, so I dare say there'll be some other fast ones. The yellow lines are very wide. That's looking up platforms 3 and 4. And there's the station buildings, and looking up platforms 1 and 2. I'm now going to walk over the footbridge. So this is the view from the footbridge. What I should have said about the Manchester Piccadilly trains is that they obviously shuttle between Manchester Piccadilly and Stoke-on-Trent. This station was once called Hare Castle for Kidsgrove. It's also been known as Hare Castle Junction, Kidsgrove Junction and Hare Castle, and it was formerly named Kidsgrove in 1944. But the statistics for Kidsgrove is that it's the 1,191st busiest station in the network. It has a footfall of 562 passengers per day. So this is the service for Stoke-on-Trent from Manchester Piccadilly. So I get down onto the platform and film it departing. was the 11:31 London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. So the next train to go through will be the 11:36 Manchester Piccadilly to Bristol Temple Meads, running approximately 7 minutes late. And quickly followed by the 11:42 Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston, running approximately 3 minutes late. So I think this is my train, which is actually going to be the one I pick up again to take me to Longport, so that's good. I now know it's running